Hi, this is Tammy with IVS Computer Technology. Today I'd like to show you how to download and install Smart Notebook Software 10.8 on your computer. We are very excited about the new features brought to us in Smart Notebook 10.7 and 10.8, and hopefully you're staying tuned for our videos where we showcase those features. Here are the steps you're going to take to get those features in your own classroom. We first want to uninstall any previous versions of Smart Notebook software. The reason for this is to remove any traces of the old software before we get the new software installed. We're going to first go to the Windows Start menu, and from there we're going to select the Control Panel. From within the Control Panel, we're going to select the option Add or Remove Programs. We're going to select Smart Notebook, Smart Product Drivers, and Smart Response if you had that on your computer. And for each of those, we're going to follow the on-screen prompts to remove those from your computer. So we'll first start with the Windows Start menu, and from there we're going to select Control Panel. Once that opens, you're going to see your Control Panel screen. If yours looks different than mine, you may need to look in the upper left-hand corner and switch it to Classic View as opposed to Category View. And once you double-click Add or Remove Programs, you're going to see a list of all the programs you have available on your computer, and you're going to scroll down to the S's. So Smart Notebook, you're going to select Remove and follow the on-screen prompts. Then you're going to select Smart Product Drivers and remove that as well. If you had Smart Response installed on your computer, you're also going to remove that. So once you've uninstalled previous versions of Smart Notebook software, you're ready to install the new version. To get started, you're going to navigate to the website. It's www.smarttech.com/downloads. And you're going to see a heading that's entitled Smart Collaborative Learning Software. From in the menu, you're going to select 10.8 for Windows. A large green download button is going to appear, and once you select that, there's a form to fill out. Once you start the installation, you're going to be prompted to save or run. I like to choose run because it starts the installation right away. You're going to be prompted for several questions. One of them is going to be select products. From there, you'll make sure that Smart Notebook software is checked, and Smart Response if you have the clickers in your classroom. Continue to follow the prompts, including entering your product key when you're prompted. If you don't have your product key, contact your district or contact us at IVS and we can see if we have the product key available for you. So let's start with step 1 and navigate to smarttech.com/downloads. Underneath Smart Notebook Collaborative Learning Software, we're going to choose our version. We're looking for the newest version, which is 10.8 for Windows. You will need to check system requirements to make sure that your computer has the availability it needs to install the software, but once you verify that, we're going to select the green download button. One thing to note, this does say free trial at the top of the page. However, the product key that you enter at the end of the installation makes it the full version, so that you'll install from the same place. Here's the form to fill out, and once you fill out that form, you're going to scroll down to the bottom and select the Start Download button. Depending on how your computer is set up, the pop-up might appear right away, or you may need to select the Start Download button. So at this point, I'm going to select Run because I'd like to start the installation right away. And that'll take just a moment, so I'm just going to give you a preview of some of the prompts you're going to see. At the Select Product screen, you'll need to make sure that Smart Notebook and Smart Product Drivers are selected, and Smart Response also if you have the clickers available in your classroom. One of the other pop-ups that you'll see is Select Your Startup options, and you'll just make sure that SmartBoard Tools and Smart Response stay selected. Note you only have Smart Response if you did select Smart Response in the screen before. So once you enter your product key, complete the installation, and you're ready to go with the new software, Smart Notebook 10.8. Thanks for joining us, and hopefully you're enjoying our video tutorials, and have a great time with the features of the new Smart Notebook software.